Okay, the next one, types of neurons. We have basically three types of neurons. First one is called sensory neuron. And sensory neurons, they collect the impulse from receptors and transmit it to the CNS. CNS meaning the central nervous system. Okay? What are the receptors? Receptors are sense organs with special sensing cells. Now, sense organs like the eye has photoreceptors which are sensitive to light. The ear has mechanoreceptors, and the nose and the tongue has chemoreceptors. Okay? So these are special cells that can sense different kind of they can collect different kind of information and drive it through, send it to the central nervous system. So these kind of neurons are called sensory neurons. The second type is called the motor neuron. Motor neuron is the one that generates an impulse for the effectors. What are effectors? Effectors are muscle or a gland which brings a response. Now I want to connect these two, okay? Sensory neuron and a motor neuron. When a sensory neuron captures the image of, let's say, a flying stone being thrown at you, and it is flying towards you, the sense organs, your eyes, catches the image and sends it to the central nervous system. And the central nervous system sends or generates an impulse and sends it to the effectors. Now, these effectors are your muscles. It sends the message to the motor, through the motor neurons, to the muscles of your body, so that you will move your body away from that projected line, so that you will escape this hitting of the stone. Okay, so that's a response generated by the brain. So in order to conduct it, there are a set of neurons which are known as motor neurons. Okay, so motor neurons carry impulse from the brain to the effectors. Effectors are muscle or a gland, which brings the intended response. Right. The third type of neuron is the association neuron or the interneuron. It connects a sensory neuron to a motor neuron, and this occurs inside the CNS or the central nervous system, meaning the brain or the spinal cord. So interneuron you always find inside it. Okay. So here is a sensory neuron, bipolar. It collects the information and drives it to the cytosol through the axon into the transmitters into the interneuron, and interneuron transmits this impulse into the motor neuron, which goes through the axon into the effectors to bring a response. So this is how it all works. And next we will see is a nerve. What is a nerve? It is just a bundle of axons. When axons are bundled together and wrapped up by a membrane. Here is the membrane that covers the axons. Okay? This is a nerve. And here these are the bundle of axons. Types of nerves. There's just basically three types again. Sensory nerves, which are made up of sensory neurons, and their job is to carry the impulse from the receptors to the central nervous system. For example, a nerve would be an optic nerve that you have in your eyes. It carries the information of the image to the brain, from the eyes to the brain. So that's a sensory nerve. Motor nerve is made up of motor neurons, okay, and it carries impulse from the central nervous system to the effectors. So that's a motor nerve. And the third type is called the mixed nerve. So you have one set of nerve carrying impulse this way, and another set of nerves, a bundle of axons which carries the impulse the other way. This is a combined nerve. So a mixed nerve comprises of sensory and a motor nerve. So this here is a mixed nerve. Okay.